Welcome to Module 2, Cultural Entrepreneurship. Here, you'll explore how creativity, culture, and business come together to drive meaningful change. Cultural entrepreneurs aren't just business owners. They are guardians of tradition and agents of innovation, using creativity to preserve and reinterpret cultural heritage while creating social and economic value. In this module, you'll dive into global stories of people who turn traditions, values, and collective memory into sustainable enterprises that empower communities, especially those often left out. But cultural entrepreneurship also brings challenges. You'll reflect on the ethical questions. What happens when culture is commercialized? Whose stories are told, and who profits from them? You'll explore how to build ventures that are not only creative and sustainable, but also ethical and inclusive, honoring the past while building a better future. Let's begin your journey into cultural entrepreneurship, where heritage meets innovation, and your ideas can make a lasting impact.